Hi gang, Kevin with American Garage Store Supply here. Hey, today I want to talk to you about 4 things that you really need to look for with your air-powered openers to make sure that they don't need replacement. These are 4 great telltale signs that you're going to need to replace that unit pretty soon. The first one is movement. If your door isn't opening the full opening height, or it's not closing the complete close all the way to the floor the way you want it, or if they're stopping in the middle, you could have a bad air cylinder system. The other thing that you want to look for is excessive corrosion and whatnot on your unit, where the unit's getting all gummed up and it's just starting to fall apart. Of course, that's a great telltale sign that that unit needs to be replaced. The other thing you have to watch for is when your air pressure is changing and you have to constantly change your regulator to make sure that you have the right air pressure in order to operate the door smoothly. If you have to continually adjust that air pressure, that's a sign that those air operators probably need replacement. The other thing that you want to watch for too is if you start to hear hissing, if you hear hissing at the top of the cylinders or at the bottom, that's certainly a sign that the seals are wearing out, and it's either time to replace those seals and do a complete makeover, maintenance and service job on it, or you're going to need to replace those cylinders. So those are 4 quick tips, and they're very important because this is the time of the year when you got to have those doors running. And we know in the car wash business, if those doors are closed or not working, you're closed. Stay tuned for more from American Garage Store Supply. You can contact us at 800-233-1487 or visit our website at carwashdoors.com and let our team go to work for you.